Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn on and off autoplay videos and GIFs on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application and then go to these three lines up here, then go to the settings and go to the contents and media, and here you will find autoplay videos and GIFs. So if you want to turn it off just like this, or if you want to turn it on, so here that's how to turn on and off autoplay videos and GIFs on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.